Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate movie streaming service, quick setup step by step clearly. To activate your movie streaming service, begin by choosing the streaming platform you want to use. Visit the official website or download the app for the streaming service of your choice. Once on the site or app, look for the option to sign up or create an account. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Fill in your personal details as required, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. After entering your details, proceed to verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to confirm your account and return to the streaming service. Now log in using your new credentials. Next, select a subscription plan that suits your viewing preferences. Enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. Review your order and confirm the payment to activate your account. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Now, return to the app or website and log in again if you've been logged out. Navigate to the library or homepage to explore available movies and shows. Choose a movie or show you want to watch and click on it to start streaming. Enjoy your viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.